The King's Weaver, Chapter 10. The King's Study, Irava. In the hearth, the fire cracks, and I jump. Toravan leans forward suddenly. Can I trust you, Caleb? What? I'm a stranger here. Loyalty is one thing, but trust? I swallow and bow. Of course, Your Majesty, I am at your service. Good. A flicker of something like relief passes over his face. I have need of your unique talents. Talents? I stammer. Gods, I hope he means my weaving. Lord Voltaire was bad enough, and I saw another court rake making eyes at me too. On the way out of the great hall. Because of course they would, now that Voltaire and the princess gave me their attentions. I'm no stranger to sexual politics at court. I'm going red. I know I'm going red, even as the king says, "You're weaving." I swallow, and can't help but catch his eye. His eyes bore into mine. You saw Nikolai's threads unraveling before anyone else. You saw how to fix it. I have a matter I'd like you to look into. His knee is bobbing. I can't see it under the desk, but can hear the soft, fast rattle of his boot heel on the floor. He's nervous. Gods, he's nervous about me? Or what is he actually asking me to do? Not, at least, give him sexual favors. There's that. I'll help how I can, I say cautiously, because if he's going to ask me to cover up more of his crimes with illusions, I absolutely will not. But there's a tension around him that speaks more of being hunted rather than being the hunter. Have I been wrong? Have the rumors been wrong? He doesn't look angry just now, and it takes years off his face, edges off of his razored personality. This isn't the same man who watched the demonstrations yesterday with disdain. Only calling out, "Next," his mouth twitches, not a smile. I want you to help me discover what really happened to my father. I blink and fight the urge to step back, step away from his intensity, which is rising again. Not anger this time, at least, not aimed at me. Of all the things I imagined King Toravan asking of me, this was not one of them. He's asking for my help, though. Asking Caleb, who very obviously demonstrated his weaving abilities to the court yesterday. Does that make sense? Does it make sense that the king would trust a complete stranger with a task this huge? It makes sense if he's desperate, and my world tilts, because this is not what I'd expected at all. Of course, I say, my words coming out tight and hoarse. I clear my throat. Yes, Your Majesty, of course I will help you, however I can. Relief sags him back again, and I wonder what I've just agreed to. What is he so afraid of? And should I be afraid of it too? He rubs a hand across his cheek, smoother than the day before, and gives me a nod. Thank you. Abruptly, he stands. Come with me.